So this next product is used mainly for decking, but can also be used for cladding systems as well. Not everybody, for whatever reason, wants to use the 100% recycled joists and battens. Sometimes people are more familiar with using pressure treated softwood battens and joists, and that's where this product comes in. This is weatherproofing tape for deck frames and cladding battens. So the tape's available in two different widths, 54mm and 100mm. That means it suits the top of deck frame joists, but you can also wrap it round pressure treated support posts if they're going to be in-ground contact. Essentially, by using composite cladding and decking materials, what you've done is paid for the longevity at the front end. So to that end, it's important to make sure that your pressure treated softwood substrate, if that's the path that you've chosen to go down, is as well protected as it can possibly be. That's where this comes in, and it's pretty special stuff. One or two other reasons to use this product are that, like many other products in the Ecoscape lineup, it is completely UV stable. It is repositionable, made of recycled products, and when you come to wind a screw through it, it self-seals around them. So now we've understood a bit more about how and why we use this product. If you'd like any more information, head over to the website ecoscape.co.uk.